This is the position of the last mark buckle. Take the marker off. Before pulling on this last stitch, take the marker off. Then this side is 9 holes. And then on to 9, 1, 2. Can we fill it with a needle? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then to the 9th position. Flip the mark again, put him on. Alright. The last stitch at the inflection point, so more. And now see now. And I'm sewing this wing here. Now you need to make it stand up and fold it. Fold this side. This corner, it must be aligned with the hole where the mark is buckled. Give it a tug. You can sew more on the corner, because the hole is big enough. Then wrap these 9 stitches or wrap them up. This last one, it must have been buckled against the mark. Seal it again. Reinforce it, then remove the marker buckle. Now let him bend this position again. Bend again. Or count up to 24 now. Just compare him directly. Compare it with the other one without sewing. Compare to the position of 24 squares. Then count 1 2 3 4 5 above again. This is the 6th grid. It's exactly the same as this one. Hang up the mark again. It's in the 6th box from the bottom up here. And then fold this. Match this first. 1 2 3 4 5 6th grid. Match it first, and then to the bottom. Be sure to look at the hole alignment. The needle is always threaded from side to side. Just wrap this side like this. When pulling the wire, this position must be used hard, piercing one hole at a time. Take the marker off. This side is already finished. And what about the extra thread? Just keep going up. One more shot, then wrap the top of the side as well. The mark buckle here can also be removed. The remaining line continues to be packaged where there is no package. There's not many lines left. Need to disconnect. Hide the thread in this bag. If it is not closed, find the thread inside. I suggest you all trim it. Everyone follow the way just now. Then give him this side too. 1 2 3 4 5 6th grade. Previous marker. I'm not going to show you that in the way just now. So this side too. It's basically done now. The shape of the bag has come out. There was not enough line when it was on this side just now. It's already packed here. I'll teach you how to wire. I've already worn this thread inside the bag. Leave a little thread. Tie this grid plate from the inside. This makes it easier to hold the wire in place. Hide the thread too. This little thread, cut with scissors. Alright. Then wrap the flanks. Give it the small half above, and the package is completed. Still using double-stranded wire, then one grid next to the other. Wrap it up. The needle still goes in at the top. And then we take the last shot. Fix this on the side again. Put this inside. Thread the needle inside. Hide this thread. In this way, the large shape of the bag will come out. Reload this hardware. It goes up on this grid in the middle. If you don't know where it is, you can compare it with this needle. 1, 2. This location. Look at the letters. The letters have to be facing up. After putting it in, force the position of this hardware. Squeeze it like this. Alright. Next, put on the shoulder straps. There are 2 pins in this shoulder strap. There's a little line. A piece of thread for sewing shoulder straps. Why is this line broken? It's 3 times the length of a broken shoulder strap. 1, 2, 3. Into the needle. A little bit at the back. As long as this needle. This paragraph will do. Then use a needle. Can you see it clearly? It looks like this. And pull this thread down. And we let go of that stub. Tighten the long thread. It's the same on this end. short the line. Extend the line again. Installation location, it's the 6 holes below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The middle line between these two vertical rows. 6th hole, it's flush with this grid plate. You can fill it with a needle, then stick it with a needle. Hold the two needles together in your hand. I have the upper and lower needles in my hand. Pull it. Make the upper and lower lines the same length. The needle on top goes through. Thread the needle at the bottom back. First pin tensioning. Alright. This must be straight. Through to the bottom. Then take a look at the bottom. Now 2 needles, then use the needle at the bottom to thread it to the top. Tension. Or use this way, it's the previous needle and the next needle, so the whole shoulder strap. Don't tie the thread flat one time. Still pulling tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th hole into the needle. Sixth hole into the needle. Needle for the 6th hole also sew into this grid board. Keep sewing. This portable. Now the 7th hole. 1 hole per seam. Be sure to tighten this thread. Just this way. Sew until the penultimate hole. And we've now sewn it into this position. Now there are 2 holes left. The 6th hole is still in the grid plate. This location, it's these 2 columns vertical. You can see it clearly in pink, the middle of the 2 columns. Tighten the thread. Secure the shoulder straps to the bag. First stitch. After 2 stitches, be sure to hold our line. It won't look good if our thread is too loose. After sewing to the end, then sew backwards. Tie 2 more dead knots for the remaining thread inside. Please cut out our needles. This bit of thread is upturned. Cut it off. Now the shoulder straps are also installed. This pink one is already done. Next, sew the hardware buckle. This side. In the previous way. Sew the handle. Put it around 1、2、3、4. Fourth grid. Then press him down on these 2 little claws. Buckle up this hardware. Pinch the 4 corners. Press. Then the claws of this hardware are exposed. Press him down again. Alright. That's it. Last, the shoulder straps. Take out the shoulder straps. It's done.